Wouldn't it be nice if you could automatically control exactly where the coolant stream was directed? Maybe even change the position depending on what tool you're using. That's the purpose and the power of the P-COOL option available on all Haas machining centers. A design built on years of refinement, P-COOL gives you numerous nozzle positions. And you can program a different one for every tool you're using. Each tool gets coolant right where it's needed, keeping those cutting edges sharp. And when big chips hit that rigid nozzle, it won't move like a flex lock can. Eliminating constant operator adjustments saves time. And when you do need to manually adjust the position, that can be done from the control pendant. Put your coolant where you want it with P-COOL.